In Excel, you can always change the way how data appears in a cell, row, column, as you wish. You can always rotate the font angle, change the text alignment, or even additional changes if you wish. Let's begin by selecting a cell, a row or column, or a range. And under Home, you are going to click in Alignment on Orientation box. And here we are going to choose how we want our text to appear. Click on Format Cell Alignment, and here you will be able to decide by the mouse how you want your text to appear. Click OK to visually see how it looks like, and you can always undo the changes and try new changes if you wish. Don't forget that you can also add degrees to change, and the change has been applied. If you wish to change the alignment, select a cell, row, column, or range, and go to Alignment, and here, by clicking, you'll be able to change the align by top, middle alignment, or bottom alignment. Also, you will have the option Align Right, Align Left, and also Center. Once done, click Save to save your settings.